just started putting my craft space together today, and I have so much stuff. Typically when you move, you go through your things, you get rid of things, then you pack, then you move. Well, since I had my procedure, I wasn't able to go through everything. So I just packed up everything. So now I'm going to go through everything. I have 2 of these IKEA stands. These are the drawers that I use for my main craft area, like where I film. So I don't even know what's all in here. This drawer has so much stuff in it, it doesn't even close. Like, I got to the point in my old apartment that I had so many things I didn't know what I had, and things were being pushed to the back, and I just couldn't find anything. I have doubled the space now, and I want to have less things. We're gonna start with this one, and I already know what I'm gonna get rid of. I don't even know where my box went to. This drawer, I'll probably end up keeping most of the things because this is what I use to film. Don't use this to film. This is balloons, just random balloons. My sister gave me this like 10 years ago, and I love it. See how hard it is for me to get rid of things? I can't get rid of that. I am going to open this one because this is also a hot mess electronic drawer. Oh my gosh. There's my staple gun. I downsized so much, I condensed 2 drawers into one. I got rid of so many cords that I haven't touched in years. This drawer is supposed to be my tacks, my Velcro, my command strips, and it turned into a drawer where I just throw stuff into. I'm ready to get rid of a lot of things. He's so cute. Cute. I love a good organized drawer. I love the IKEA drawer organizers. I just don't have any right now, so I'm just going to compromise and use Ziplocs until I get some. You wanna help me? Yeah, baby. You're gonna have to move, baby. You can't fit in there. Silly kitty. I don't even know why I have like 500 thumbtacks. I don't even, like 600. I've never used these. This drawer's done. Whew. Okay. I'm going to get rid of these and just buy more because I really like these. These are like flower paint things, but I've had them for 7 years and it's just time to buy more. I don't feel like soaking the paint out and cleaning them. It's time for a new start because I'm a homeowner now. I have like 500 tripods. Don't need it. I actually have 2 drawers of paint things. So let's just go through both. Hopefully I can condense all of this into one drawer. We'll see. The good thing about doing something for so long, you know what brushes you're going to use, what supplies you're going to use. I know what exactly I'll be getting rid of in this drawer. There's some things I haven't used in years. I think I did it. I condensed 2 drawers into one again. I'm so proud of myself. I am a hoarder and not in this house. This actually worked out because I grab a lot of gloves and baby wipes constantly while I'm working with epoxy. So this is going to be filled with baby wipes and filled with gloves. So I'm excited. I got rid of so many things. Still have 3 more drawers to tackle. We're almost done. 125 index cards. For what? I'm not gonna get rid of them all. I'm gonna keep one pack, just in case. Apparently I'm making a lot of mistakes in my life because I need 10 whiteouts. I can't just buy one, I have to buy 10. Going to keep one, getting rid of the rest. I think I did pretty good. I have my baby wipes. I'm gonna add my gloves in here when I actually get some. A drawer for more gloves and baby wipes. I have all of my paintbrushes. And here I have all of my wall things that I use so often. My electronic drawer in here. And then for the next one, I'm going to add more pens in here, things I use often, all of my pads, sticky note extra. This is the drawer where I will have more tape. This is like my shipment drawer whenever I pack my orders. And I have not been through this drawer. Dang it! I forgot about that drawer. And this one's empty. So let me finish this drawer real quick. Now this drawer is empty. I condense all of this into this drawer. This is all of my shipping and mailing things. Now I'm done. Right, Onyx?